What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. Today we're gonna do something really fun. We're gonna start on the M3. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we are back in the shop after last about a week and a half ago Grid Life's event with Legend Media. Awesome event. But today we're gonna get started on the M3. Now, one of the things that I showed you guys when we went over the car was the trunk. The trunk has holes and it's just plain crappy. So we are going to replace this today, and I've got something really cool to show you guys. So let's take a look. So as you guys saw in the shots there, we have a brand new carbon fiber trunk for this car, which we are going to be installing today. I'm actually really excited because the trunk looks so kind of crappy that I've been wanting a carbon fiber trunk for this car. So this will match the eventual carbon fiber hood that we do for the car, but this is the CSL style. So let me grab it and show you guys. So this is the CSL style trunk. Now, if you look, it has the built-in lip here. So CSL style, very cool, very light. I'm holding it with one hand. So obviously we're gonna take care of some weight issues. So I can't wait to put this on. So let's go ahead and get the old one off, get all the wiring out of it, and we'll get this bad boy on. Let's do it. What is up, guys? Wanted to take a quick break in today's video and talk about today's video sponsor, which is Lucky Labo. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Lucky Labo, they are actually a really cool store, online store that specializes in Skyline and Sylvia parts and really cool accessories like this Nabori flag behind me. They also do really cool apparel right there with the little kitty cat. And so these guys are awesome. I have been a fan of theirs for a very long time, and I am fortunate enough for them to be a sponsor of the channel and myself. So if you guys want to get a discount, head to lucky-labo.com and use the code TEAMLABO for 15% off your purchase. I really appreciate these guys, and if you guys haven't headed over there and checked out all the cool stuff they have, you really should. Really cool shop, really cool people. All right, let's get back to it. All right, now we just got to get the bolts lined up. Boom! Let's just take a gander. Woo! Probably needs to go that way just a touch to close this gap up. But damn, boys. We'll get it locked in and ready to ride. Alright guys, now is time for the moment of truth. We have everything back installed. Everything is in, the lights are in. I have not plugged in the lights yet just because I need to get new bulbs for the rear taillights, but let's see if it closes and reopens. Okay, it's closed. Now the moment of truth. Now if you guys know BMWs, there's a little touch sensor here. Ooh, we got it on, yes. Yes, it works. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything wired up and then I'll give you guys some shots of it done and ready to rock. But I'm super proud of it. It's gonna look cool and it's gonna look badass. So let me go ahead and get it all tidied up and I'll close it and show you guys some shots. All right guys, so there you have it. We got the carbon fiber trunk installed. It works. You can lift it. Hey, and close the trunk. So we're looking good. I have a couple more things to do today, but I'm not gonna film them. And the process actually wasn't that difficult. I had to Dremel a few things out that I didn't show you guys, but really wasn't a big deal. Just a couple Dremel pieces to make holes a little bit bigger to make pieces fit. But otherwise, it actually fit pretty well. So I'm actually really excited about how it fits, how it looks. Obviously the car is gonna get wrapped anyways, so it's not gonna be fully covered and fully carbon fiber, but it is pretty sweet looking. It does have the CSL lip on it, if you can see there. So pretty psyched. So that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you do like the videos, please like and subscribe. If you're excited for this build, we've got a bunch more parts coming for it. Actually a new seat coming for it too as well, which I'm super stoked about. Steering wheel and a couple other things. So if you guys are liking this, please like and subscribe the videos. It really helps me out a lot, guys, and you have no idea how much that helps out the channel. So please, please, please do that. And with that, guys, deuces. We'll see you in the next one.